Air for Blue Skies. This event was first held on 7 September 2020. We are celebrating this event because the international community's increasing interest in clean air and emphasizing the need to make further efforts to improve air quality to protect the human health. So, the United Nations General Assembly has designated 7 September as the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies.
Before you call yourself a Hindu, Sikh, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, or any other theology, learn to be human first. Water and air, the two essential fluids on which all life depends, have become global garbage cans. What is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. Pollutants can be natural or created by human activity. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water, and land. Air pollution is a global problem which is single greatest environmental risk to human health. Pollution today is pervasive and persistent. While the world have achieved significant economic growth over the few decades, it has been accompanied by large amount of pollution. Global warming is a major issue that will probably never end. Looking into the seriousness of environmental changes, United Nations General Assembly introduced International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies to strengthen international cooperation in improving air quality and reducing air pollution. This day aims to boost public awareness of climate changes and encourage the people's participation in activities to lower air pollution, such as growing more and more trees, avoid deforestation, recycling plastic waste by saving water, use of electric vehicles, etc. The theme for this year's International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies 2021 is Healthy Air, Healthy Planet, which highlights the health effects of air pollution, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. Sharing few lines with you. Observe the traffic and pollution. Where is its solution? I see in my own neighborhood this side, it's not a matter to be taken light. I see the leaves and trees crying and the burnt fallen leaves lying. I wish that it stopped soon, otherwise we will have to take refuge on the moon. Plant trees and take care of them so that our lives don't go in vain.
Earth is green, the earth is green. Keep them blue, keep them blue, keep them green, keep them green. I can help to keep them green, to keep them blue.
But in reality, CO2 is there. All it does is pollute the air. Do you think that this is fair? People try to reduce pollution, hoping to make a contribution. The factories make a lot of smoke, which make all the people choke. And it's turning all the clouds black, make us sneeze, cough and hack. We can all still reduce pollution. It's time to start our revolution. Breathe healthy, stay healthy.